Hi, we wanted to share with you a little bit about our new logo and why we designed it the way that we did. The diamond at the top is a Berber symbol. Now, the Berbers were the indigenous people of North Africa and the original inhabitants of Morocco. They still live mostly in the mountains and countryside of Morocco and have been around for over 4,000 years. And because they have such a rich culture and history in Morocco and throughout North Africa, we decided to use one of their symbols as our logo. This symbol originally means protection from the evil eye. And we thought that was significant because of the work that we do to end human trafficking, and that we would love to see everyone, every human, be protected from the evil of human trafficking and not have to experience that. We also thought this symbol was significant because the circle in the middle for us represented ashes, and our name being Beauty for Ashes is this concept that when something traumatic happens to a person, that from these ashes can become something beautiful. And so the diamonds around the ashes represents the growth and the journey of going from something horrific to something beautiful and as precious as a diamond. And it also symbolizes the journey that it takes, that it's a process, and there's a growth process that happens with that restoration. And so then we created our new logo based on the rich culture of Morocco and the vision for Beauty for Ashes to be about protection and prevention and also growth and restoration. We hope you like it.